So welcome back, guys. Let's just go ahead and save this post data that we've gotten into the database. So we're going to be using the relationship between that Laravel provides for us. So there are different kind of relationship in Laravel, but we're going to be using one-to-one relationship. There's actually one-to-many. There's many-to-many. Just if you want to read more about it, just go over to the Laravel documentation and read more about it. So for now, let's just open our models, and right here we want to define a relationship. I want to say this should be a public function, and this will be post. So right here we want to return. I want to say this has many posts. So this has many, and this will be post, and this will be the class. So hopefully this makes sense to you. Let's just import this class. So class has been imported, and right here we need to accept that relationship. So let's just say dollar sign let's just say public, and this will be function, and this will be user. So let's just return this. This will belong to the user, and this will be class. So this is how you can define relationship. Let's just import this class. So now that we've defined the relationship, now we can say user is equal to authenticated user. So this should be auth user. So to actually save this, we need to create a new instance of that post object. So let's create new, and this will be post. Now we need to define the title of the post. This will be request title, and we need to do the same thing for the description. Now that we have this, now let's just go ahead and utilize the relationship we created. So this will be post, and this will be save dollar sign post. So hopefully this makes sense to you. So after creating this, we need to return a redirect to a URL. So let's just do this, return a redirect, and right here we want to redirect to a route, and this will be the let's say the home route. And yeah, so I don't think we need to redirect to the home route. Right here we need to redirect to this. So let's just give this a name, and let's just call this welcome. So we need to redirect to the welcome route. So let's just call this welcome, and this is all we need to do. So let's just go ahead and create this right now. So let's click submit, and you see we've been redirected right here. So in the future video, we're going to create we're going to list all the posts right on this page. That's why I redirected back to this page after creating a new post. So for now, if we should refresh, you can see we have that record right here, and we have the user ID that actually posts this. So there are more than one ways to actually do this. You can use the normal way which I showed you in earlier videos to actually create this, and you can come here and define the user ID underscore ID to actually be the authenticated, and you can do it like this, and this will be ID, and you just click on post save. Just call the post just like this, and this will be save, and call on the save method, and this will actually work perfectly. But for the sake of the relationship, you want to know something new. So that's why I showed you this way to actually do your thing. So that's how you actually save this. So if we should go ahead and actually use a different browser to actually log on to this and create a new post, so we can just see that the user ID is different. So I'm just going to open Google Chrome, and I just need to create a new account so we can use that to log in. So let's just call this uh, so this will be password. Let's just confirm this password, and let's click register. Now we've created the account. No, let's just add a new post, and let me just fill this out, and let's just click submit post. Now we've created this. If we check the database, you can see the user ID changes and we have a new post right here. So the next thing we need to do is to actually output all these posts on this page. So let's do that in the next video, guys.